Hello friends, is your car losing power, consuming more fuel, or showing a check engine light? If you've scanned your vehicle and found P0420, don't ignore it. This code is related to the catalytic converter efficiency, a crucial part of your car's emission system. If left unresolved, it can lead to reduced fuel economy, increased emissions, and even engine damage. In this video, I'll explain what P0420 means, its symptoms, exact sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. The exact location of these components depends on your vehicle's make and model. Check your service manual for precise details. Common causes of P0420. 1. A failing catalytic converter. Over time, the CAT can become clogged or damaged, reducing its efficiency. 2. Faulty oxygen sensors. A failing upstream or downstream O2 sensor can send incorrect data to the ECU. 3. Exhaust leaks. Any leaks before or near the catalytic converter can affect oxygen sensor readings. 4. A rich or lean fuel mixture. Issues with the fuel injectors, MAF sensor, or ignition system can cause improper combustion. And 5. Oil or coolant contamination. A leaking head gasket can allow oil or coolant to enter the exhaust system, damaging the CAT. How to fix P0420. Step 1. Use an OBD2 scanner to confirm the P0420 code and check for related codes. Step 2. Inspect the oxygen sensors for carbon buildup, damage, or slow response times. Replace if needed. Step 3. Check the catalytic converter for signs of clogging, overheating, or physical damage. Step 4. Inspect the exhaust system for leaks and repair any damaged gaskets or pipes. Step 5. Test the MAF sensor and fuel injectors to ensure proper air-fuel mixture. And Step 6. Clear the error code using an OBD2 scanner and test drive the vehicle. The P0420 error code can lead to poor fuel efficiency, reduced performance, and failed emissions tests if not resolved. If your car has this issue, inspect the catalytic converter, check the oxygen sensors, and look for exhaust leaks to restore proper function. For more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0124. Throttle position sensor circuit intermittent P0125. Insufficient coolant temperature for closed-loop fuel control. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.